Hi, my name is Francesca Neill, the official makeup artist for Collection, and today I'm here with the lovely Melissa, who's the winner of the Be The Face competition. Today we're going to show you how to create the broken doll makeup look, which is perfect for Halloween and super easy to recreate at home. I'm going to start by creating the pretty doll cheeks by applying quite a lot of soft glow blusher in round circular motions to the apples of the cheeks. Next, apply the white eye pencil to the lower waterline and extend below the lower lashes to make the eyes appear much bigger and wider. Take a shimmery golden eyeshadow and press onto the eyelid. Define the newly shaped eye with soft brown eyeshadow through the socket line and below the white eye pencil to enhance the round shape that we've created. Next, take a shimmery golden eyeshadow and press under the white eyeliner. Take the fast stroke liner along the top of the lash line, creating a rounded shape. Finish with lashings of lengthening mascara to create that wide-eyed doll look. Now, to create the cracked doll effect, take a felt tip style liner and outline the cracks, drawing soft random lines and joining them together. You can make this quite subtle, or you can add lots more for a more dramatic effect. Highlight the edges of the cracks with white liner to add dimension. To finish off the skin, apply a liquid highlighter to create a glassy doll-like complexion. Finally, to get that doll-like pout, apply Velvet Kiss moisturising lip in cotton candy to the centre of the lips, making them appear smaller and more pouty. So there you have it, cracked doll makeup, which is perfect for Halloween. To really amp up the drama, add your favourite pair of false lashes to the top and bottom lash line.